You cannot generate 1 to over 10 minutes long AI movies using just one AI tool and one prompt. I'm going to show you this one AI tool that replaces over 4 AI tools that you need in AI movie creation. And this tool produces videos that are 100% authentic. Before we go on, let me show you the AI Nigerian movie I generated using this AI tool.
Do you know who I am? You're lucky I'm even touching this cheap fabric.
Ada, please, my daughter, she's your elder. Have some shame.
Shame? The only shame here is you, Mama. Selling rags in this heat, while my father is probably living like a king somewhere. Don't touch.
How was that? Are you ready to learn how to make yours? Let's get straight into it. Normally, to generate AI movies, it goes through 4 steps. The first step is your script production. The second step is your character and your scene generations. The fourth step is your animations of your scene. And the fourth step is usually editing and your overall sound design. This AI tool is called Flova AI. Is going to take over those 4 steps that you need 4 different AI tools for in one unified workflow. To access Flova AI, I'm going to drop a link in the description box so you can click the link and follow along with this tutorial. Open Flova AI and register or sign up an account. I'm going to give you guys a base prompt. Now, this base prompt is a prompt that everybody can work with. You're going to start off by telling the AI tool what type of movie you want to create. So for me, I'm creating like a Nigerian, African-inspired, AI movie. Okay, so you tell it by telling that it should give you 4 story ideas, of which you're going to pick one. Now, this is it. You must write the style. So for example, if you want to do an animated video, you change realistic to animated. You write the duration. If you do have your script, this is where you put your script. Now, this is my one pro tip. Whenever you want to start a movie, always start your movie with a hook. So when people watch your movies in the first 3 seconds, they cannot skip away. If you would like all the prompts I used in today's video, just comment Flova in the comment section and I will send you the prompt. We're going to go to Flova AI here and we are going to paste it. All right, and then we are going to click generate. Flova AI is an AI agent that covers everything from your script production to your image generation to your video generation, sound design, and even the final editing of your video. Once you paste your prompt, it opens the storyboard feature that looks exactly like this, and you can see the prompt you put already here. Then when you go down, you begin to see this. It tells you, welcome, I love your concept, okay, and it's going to give us 4 original ideas, and it's asking me which story do I like. So I like this story idea 2. I like the supernatural feel of it, so I'm going to tell it idea 2, and you're going to press the send button. So it has given us the creative brief of the video very easily. It has told us the name of the project, the output language, the duration, the characters, everything. So it has told us how the aspect ratio. We've selected 16:9, and then you press the next page. In the next page, it's going to ask you the sound effect that you want. Okay, so let's just leave it at tense and eerie. Let's go to the next page. It asks you what kind of shots do you want, so let's press confirm. So now that the creative brief has been confirmed, the next thing this AI agent is going to do is to create the visual assets. This AI tool is so intelligent. It has gone ahead to create the character of the mother. This is the mother. It created a character in front, 3/4, and side view to maintain character consistency. Okay, and it also created the images also of the twins, the front view, the 3/4 view, and the side view of the twins to maintain their character consistency. Also, this movie is going to be shot in 2 scenes. The first one being the market stall, which is this right here. You can see the market stall scene, very well generated, and you can see the last one, which is going to be their living room scene. So we have all our characters and we have all our scenes and everything is ready. Now, if you go back to your chat AI assistant on Flova, now what it's going to ask you is that, what do you want it to do next? Do you want it to start generating the shots? Do you want it to design and animate the first market scene alone so that you can see? I want it to generate the background music. So at every point in time, Flova AI is going to be asking you for your inputs. So if, for instance, we don't like what the market store looks like, or we don't like what the children look like, you just type your message or whatever correction you want here. So I'm just going to click number 1, which is generate the starting frame for all the shots. Now, this video is supposed to have 4 scenes. So we have this first generation, scene of the mother standing in the store. So this is the second scene where it says that she runs home after having that bad dream. Go to the third shot, which is where Fumilayo drops to her knees as the mom of the kids. I think that this is really amazing for that scene. So our last scene is going to be the cliffhanger scene where we see a close-up shot of the daughter that is still dripping wet for what she saw in her dream. So now that all this is done, you can see that the agent has said that the analysis is complete. So it now tells us, what do we want to do? Do we want to animate the entire film? Do we want to animate the first scene only at the market, or do we want to generate the background music? Please note that the reason why I'm going through this one by one is so that you can understand what this AI agent actually does. There's actually a portion in the beginning where you can just go ahead and tell it to just do everything it likes without you putting your input. But because we don't want you to create AI slop, I'll tell you that it's better for you to go and input your input one after the other. So that's all set, and I love what everything looks like. I'm going to say press 1, let it animate the entire film. So all the scenes for all our movie has been generated, as we can see them all here. So what we are going to do right now is going to assemble the rough cut. We are going to reply 1 to the chatbot, and it's going to put over a rough cut of the shots 1, 2, 3, and 4 that we have done, and it's going to be in a timeline. So if you click the timeline here, you will see all the clips that I've generated, edited for you. Now on this timeline, you can decide to shorten a scene, can decide to do a little bit of editing to the videos here, or if you like exactly the way everything is, you will just go over to this portion here and you press export. Either export it as a video or a Premiere Pro file. If you want to take it to Premiere Pro to continue editing it, but for this use case, we'll just export it as a video. All right, so once you click export as a video, it's going to download here as a video, and once it's completed, it will be saved to your device. Now guys, the video is completed. Let's watch and see what we created using just one prompt.
My babies, why are you so wet? Why are you standing like this? What is happening? Why are your hands this cold?
Mama, we've been gone 2 days. You just didn't notice.
Wow. I think that was so shocking at the end. Ooh. Not only full movies can you generate using Flova AI, you can make your normal 5-second, 10 and 15-second generations also using Flova AI. Just on their platform, just go over here and click generator, and you can create video generations clicking here using a vast array of AI models, from Sidons to Kling to Grok to VEO, Sora 2, and all the rest of them. You can just come here, select your resolution, your ratios, and of course your durations. You can also generate images, music, and voiceovers. They have a free plan that you can use to get started, to try out the platform to see how it works. I advise you to go over and use this AI platform because it covers the work of over 4 AI tools that you will need. It compresses it all into one AI tool, giving you the perfect movie with just one prompt. So guys, if you love this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.